The London, Brighton and South Coast Railway opened a new station named Preston on the 1st of November 1869 to serve the growing parish of Preston on the north boundary of Brighton. The station was enlarged and remodelled to its present design in 1879 during the construction of the Clifton Curve spur line from the Mainline to Hove and the West Sussex coastline. The station was then renamed Preston Park, although the nearby Preston Park did not exist until 1883. In 1881, the railway murderer Percy Lefroy Mapleton alighted at this station after killing Isaac Frederick Gold and dumped his body in Balcombe Tunnel. What a pleasant chap. So let's get started here at Preston Park with 700-136, working the 1107 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Next to pass fast through the station is 700-111, working 9 Sierra 24 for Thameslink from Brighton to Cambridge. And coming in the opposite direction is 700-105, working 9 Sierra 17 for Thameslink from Cambridge to Brighton. Next to arrive into the station is 377-448 and 377-130, working the 1119 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton. Right, and here's heels for Gatwick Express is 387-210, 387-213 and 387-223, working 1 Whiskey 44 from London Victoria to Brighton, running 5 minutes late. Whilst departing on the far side is 377-412 and 377-453, with the 1125 Southern service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. Next over on the far side sees the departure of 700-136, working the 1129 Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. Next to arrive into the station is 700-112, working the 11:37 Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. With the cancellation of 1 Mike 55 from Brighton to London Victoria, next up is 700 143 and 700 105, working 9 Sierra 19 from Cambridge to Brighton and 9 Sierra 26 from Brighton to Cambridge, respectively. Next into the station is 377156 and 377157, working the 11:49 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton. Quickly on his heels is 387222 and 387211, working 1 Whiskey 48 for Gatwick Express from London Victoria to Brighton. Departing over on the far side is 700 112, working the 11:59 Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford. And it's here that the Brighton Mainline then went kaput, with 38722211 and 387222 passing, working 1 Mike 59 from Brighton to London Victoria. Next to pass through the station is 700 143, working 9 Sierra 28 for Thameslink from Brighton to Cambridge.
I was going to say,
What do you like about it
And your final train of the session is 377417 and 377469, working the 12:19 Southern service from London Victoria to Littlehampton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.